morning, Facebookers and Instagrammers. I'm on the Park City heading to Bridgeport, Connecticut, going to Springfield, Massachusetts for the train show. With my wife with me right there, Sherry. Anyway, we're on the Park City right now. If you take a look behind me, there's the new Long Island. It came into service in December. Anyway, we'll be out of the area for a few days. Be coming back Sunday night, so should be on the Park City coming back on Sunday night also. So that is the story. You guys have a good day. Straight ahead, you're looking at the kind of in the distance, but if you're looking straight ahead, a little bit off to the left, the center is the Grand Republic running from Bridgeport to Port Jeff. We're in Park City right now. Park City was built in 1986 by Offshore Shipbuilding in Palatka, Florida. The ship went under major renovation back in 2012. New elevator, replacing the original elevator, which only went to the main passenger cabin. New elevator now goes to all three levels. This vessel also got rebuilt with EMD Tier 2, Caterpillar Tier 2. This is not the original engine to the Park City. Again, taking a look at the Grand Republic off into the distance there. Short time ago, Grand Republic built by Eastern Shipbuilding back in 2003, was delivered to the Port Jeff ferry at that time. The new Long Island, which was at Port Jeff, which was just recently acquired in December, which was undergoing some mild construction as it wasn't quite finished as the elevator was being worked on. We're looking at the Grand Republic right now. Grand Republic and Park City are in service today, which today is Thursday, January 23rd, 2025. We get to Bridgeport. We'll be seeing the P.T. Barnum also built by Eastern Shipbuilding, delivered to Port Jeff, to Bridgeport Port Jeff Steamboat Company in 1999. Just looking at the American Republic. P.T. Barnum was not originally built with a garage door in the front of the vessel. The American Republic was, and so was the Long Island. Republic, along with the P.T. Barnum, has original EMD engines in them. Alright, taking a look, looking at the Bridgeport, and you see the vessel straight ahead. That is the P.T. Barnum, which was built by Eastern Shipbuilding and delivered to the Bridgeport Port Jeff Steamboat Company in 1999. Had some renovations with the garage door front added to it, to its current configuration, where it's known as the Grand Republic and the Long Island. Again, 3 vessels built. This was the original one built by Eastern and delivered to the Bridgeport Port Jeff Steamboat Company in 1999, as it's at the repair facility undergoing some major rehab. This vessel's been out of service since late November, early December, undergoing the major renovations. There's the power plant in Bridgeport. Again, another look at the P.T. Barnum. It's also supposed to be where the new ferry docks for the Port Jeff Ferry will be going eventually.